Page 90, activity book. Welcome to AJ's activity book. 我们看,我们读,我们写 yes or no. 我们解释,我们答案,然后我们一起 go. Hey, that was like a song. 我们看图片,然后发生什么事?画一个 tick 在你觉得是什么?然后问,然后回答 Do you like cooking? Read and write the words. 然后我们写一个 booking. Alright, 家长,现在如果你准备好了 Let's 开始一下 Look and read. Write yes or no. Explain the answers. Sonny cooks in Uncle Raymond's cafe. If you need to reread the story is on page 90 of the student's book or the pupil's book. For now, Sonny cooks in Uncle Raymond's cafe. What's the answer? No, he washes the dishes. He's the dishwasher. He washes plates, bowls, cups, and glasses. Woo! The cooks from the cafe were all at home. Okay? I remember the cooks from the cafe were ill. I haven't got any cooks today because they aren't well. They're ill. So I think they are at home, unless they're at the hospital. Not sure. No. They are all at... Wait. Oops. You could write no or you could write yes. They are at home because they are ill. I think that's probably the right answer. 3. Uncle Raymond doesn't think that Sonny can cook in the cafe. Yes. Uncle Raymond says, you can't cook. You're not a cook. You are a dishwasher. Look. You can't cook, Sonny. Your job is to wash the dishes. So, yes. He thinks Sonny's job is to wash the dishes. And 4, Selena Redmond asks Uncle Raymond to cook in her restaurant. No. She asks Sonny to cook in her restaurant. She was like, Sonny, you made the yummy toilet pasta. I want you. And Uncle Raymond said, Drats, I lost my best cook. Look at the picture. What happens next? Tick the best answer. Okay, so Sonny cooks, it looks like, and Selena Redmond looks at Sonny, and Sonny, it looks like he's spilling the soup. The hot soup is on... The hot soup is on Selena Redmond. No! Okay. Sonny doesn't work in Restaurant Redmond. Okay, do you think Sonny will not work in Selena Redmond's restaurant? I don't think so. I think Sonny will work in Selena Redmond's restaurant. So I'm going to go with an X on that one. Sonny goes to work at Restaurant Redmond. Selena is very happy. Could be this one. Sonny goes to work at Restaurant Redmond. Selena isn't happy. Nah, I think she's happy. Why? Because look at her. She looks happy. Ask and answer with a friend. Oh, answer these questions in the group. The first question is, do you like cooking? I like cooking, but I have no time to cook. 我没时间 to cook, but I do like to cook. My favorite food is tacos, burritos. What's coming out of my Speedo? Enchiladas. Ooh, enchiladas. I'll show you a video about enchiladas pretty soon. What about you? Do you like cooking? Say it in the group. What's your favorite thing to cook? I already said it. Enchiladas. Enchiladas. Enchiladas, let me give you a picture, first of all. These are enchiladas. I love enchiladas. Enchiladas are Mexican food. Mexican food is from Mexico, Mosiga. Have you ever been to Mexico? Have you ever eaten Mexican food? You gotta try it. It's the best. All right, so do I like cooking? Yes. What's my favorite thing to cook? Enchiladas. What's my favorite thing to eat? Enchiladas. The same thing. I like cooking enchiladas. I like eating enchiladas. What about you? Tell me in the group. As for now, let's switch sides here and read and write the words. What words? Oh, okay. So these are the words, and we need to put them in the blanks. I want you to stop the video. Do it, then come back and I'll help you. My name is Sunny Miller, and I am a chef. A chef is a 厨师. I work in restaurant Redmond every Saturday, and I love it. I make pasta, soup, and salad. I work very hard. 我很勤劳地工作. When Selena Redmond asked me to work in her restaurant, I was very, okay, probably happy. Let's see. I was very happy. Yep, I was very happy. As happy as a clam. Selena is a brilliant chef. I always go to her restaurant for my what? I always go to her restaurant for my 什么? I always go to her restaurant for my TV. 我去她的房间拿我的 TV? Nah. For my cooking? Nah. For my happy? Nah. For my birthday? Ooh. I always go to my restaurant for her birthday 的意思是我的生日。那一天我一直去她的 restaurant. I think that's the answer. I always go to her restaurant for my birthday. You can just write B-day. Happy. She makes beautiful cakes. Birthday cakes. I don't see Selena very often at the restaurant. 我平时不看 Selena 在她的 restaurant 里，因为 she is usually in London. 她平时在伦敦 making her 什么 show? Probably a cooking show. Show 的意思是节目，她有自己的电视节目，一个煮饭的节目 cooking show. Do you know it? It's called In My Kitchen. 她的节目叫做 In My Kitchen. I watch it every week. I want to have my own TV show one day. Before I became a chef, I, Shema, probably cooked, maybe made, cooked/made, dishes in my Uncle Raymond's cafe. Oh, sorry. No. In Raymond's cafe, it was I washed dishes. I didn't like doing that. I love cooking, but I don't like washing dirty bowls, cups, and glasses. All right, let's check my answers just to make sure. Sad chef, washed, cooking. Yeah, I'm right. All right, guys, next page. Which picture is different? This is so easy. I think you don't even need to listen to it, but let's just listen to it just to be sure.
Which picture is different? Look at these 4 pictures. One is different. The comic is different. A kiwi.
Oops. He's giving us the answers. All right, first, which one do you think is different? You already know. It's the comic. Why? Because you can eat the kiwi, you can eat the banana, you can eat the pear, but you can't eat the comic. Or can you? Can you eat the comic? 2. Which picture is different? I'm thinking this one, because there in the other 3 there is something above the chair. The clock is above the chair. The mirror is above the chair. The picture is above the chair. The doll is below the chair. So that's what I think. 3, I mean. In this picture, the woman is buying something. In this picture, the man is buying something. In this picture, the girl is buying something. In this picture, the boy is drinking something. And number 4, a bee, a bird, a bat, a rabbit. They are all animals. Maybe one of them's not a mammal. A rabbit's a mammal, a bat's a mammal, a bird is not a mammal. And a bee is not a mammal. So no, a rabbit can jump, a bat can fly, a bird can fly, a bee can fly. We figured it out. It's the rabbit because they're all flying animals, but not the rabbit. All right, let's listen to the guy.
A banana and a pear are fruit. You eat them. You don't eat a comic.
Nah.
You read it.
Oh, okay. I thought they were going to talk about the rest of them, but they didn't. All right, that was easy. Let's see. All right, I'm going to show you a funny video about how to make enchiladas. All right, so I hope you are ready to learn how to cook my favorite food. Let's do it. How to make chicken enchiladas. So first cut the tomatoes, put them in a pan, then cook them. Add some onion and some garlic and some oil and some spices. Spices are all these, like salt, pepper, spices. Mix it. Add some water. This is your sauce. Okay, let it cool. Now we are going to blend it. Blend it. Blend it up. This looks like a yummy sauce. Mexican sauce is called salsa. It's a little bit spicy. Do you like spicy? Here is a big pot. Put the water and the chicken in the pot with some spices. Boil it. It's boiling now. Put the lid on and boil for 20 minutes. Now it's done. Now we shred the chicken. Shred the chicken. Now we put the sauce in the chicken and mix it. Cheese, onions, cheese, tortillas. Tortillas is a flat bread. Put the chicken on it, put the cheese on it, put the onions on it, and roll it up. It makes 5 or 6 enchiladas. Put the enchiladas in the sauce. Put the sauce on the enchiladas. Put the cheese on the sauce. And now we put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Perfect. Those enchiladas look great. Now we just add some cilantro. Cilantro is, how do you say it? Ting tai? Ting tai? Would you do you like cilantro? I do. Yummy. Lots of cilantro. Cilantro, cilantro, cilantro. Oh, okay, that's enough cilantro, guys. Hey, no cilantro. No more cilantro. That's too much cilantro. Stop with the plants of cilantro. Cilantro plants? Are you kidding me? No. That's too much cilantro. What are you doing? You can't eat that. Too much cilantro. It's yucky.